Hello guys, market is going to open in the 1 minute. So as far as I analyzed, we do have a London session highs here. So if it fill this gap, this fair value gap, I will look for the down. If it inverse this, I will look for the longs. And we do have a SMT in the 1 minute time frame. So and I have to check the 15 minutes time frame. So we will get a clear move. It should be either up or down. So I have to wait for the confirmation. The market is open now. There I have to wait for the clear move. Let me see in the 1 minute. Okay, fill this gap. If it respect, I will look for the shorts to take out the low draws on liquidity. If it inverse, I will look for the longs. So let's see what is going to happen in the market today. The first 1 minute candle. Fill this gap. Now I need continuation confidence to the downside. Gotta wait. Have to wait for the clear move. Didn't inverse this gap. Wait a second. We have these highs here. Didn't get any clear move. Today no news, so that's why market is so choppy. Or else the bank is holiday today. I don't know. What is the news today? There is no news today. What about tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow we do have some sort of news. Okay. I want to enter the longs here to If this candle closes, I will enter the longs. No, 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 no. Market is so choppy. Didn't get any clear move. First 5 minutes. This is the first 5 minutes of the market open. If this candle closes above this, I would love to go high. Mm. I am entering here. Let's wait, let's wait. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, it should have to be like this. Holy shit, I didn't know it's ripped these hydros on liquidity. I never know this web that much. Entering here.
Order filled.
Entering the longs in here. Stop loss underneath these lows. I want to target the. Let me show you where I want to target at least this much.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Ripper. Stop loss. I'm going to set a stop loss underneath these lows. We should have to push higher. So we didn't sweep these highs. Huge potential for it to go higher. Let's see. What's the market wants to give us? Negative 100? That's fine for me. But I wish to this allow this to go higher. Stop loss underneath these lows. I should have to move the stop loss a little bit. At least this investor value gap. It's good for me to move my stop loss a little bit. Liquidity sweep happens, so we should have to wait for the clear consequences. Let's go where the market wants to go. We should have to wait for that to take down the hydros on liquidity. I don't want it to engulf. Closed this. I should have to enter this trade in this position I entered to target the hydros on liquidity. A huge, a huge reversal. Damn, it's reversing too much, dude. I want this to push at least grab the hydros on liquidity. So if it grabs, we will looks good. One huge push to the upside. That's all I am looking at. I want to set my stop loss underneath these lows. Let's wait. What's the market wants to give us? Should have to wait for the move. I want to target these highs. It's unrealistic for me to target that. Let's hope what's the thing will happen in the market. If it break above this, it's going to be really good. I want this to break above the highs. If it breaks, it will looks good. One huge push to the upside. That's huge for me. Bearish. It should have to push higher. get close about this. Yes, I'm going to pair up. Took out this liquidity sweep. Stop loss. My stop loss underneath these lows. Okay, rip it. Huge wick. There is anything else here? Of course, it should have to come and grab these hydras on liquidity. Of course. I want this to push a little bit more higher. It should have to be bounce. So I'm going to set my stop loss underneath these lows. So as far as I see, it will come this zone. I mean this zone, and it will bounce to the upside. Stop loss underneath these lows. Let me move this real quick. Stop loss underneath these lows. So basically, I'm in the funded next challenge phase. So 40% consistency rule. So I should have to follow that. So my daily target is 750 USD. That's my daily profit, which I'm seeking. Which means in 4 days I can pass this challenge and get a funded account. So that's why I'm hoping it, but we have to focus on the thing which is really important. So it's necessary for me to I should have to be patient to win this challenge and get funded. Stop loss underneath these lows. Stop loss underneath these lows, right? Where it's in the third week. My stop loss underneath these lows here. Third week or second week? There's the second week. A huge push. Market is so choppy today. Didn't make any make a consolidation. It's a pretty 5 minutes. We are in the bullish, so bullish. Stop loss here. Sweep this liquidity. First 5 minutes. If I enter this trade, it will be so good. Right now, I'll be made a huge back. Wait it. Stop loss break even. Should have to focus the strategy. I'm showing the live pros what I'm doing, so it's better for me to show this, even if I'm losing. 400 bucks is it's a good a day. A day 400 bucks. If it close about this, we will be look more good. We will look more good if it push above this neckline. A huge, okay. Going to get stabbed out. Going to get stabbed out here. Probably it will come to this FVG zone. So probably it will come to this FVG zone. So yeah, but I don't want to take a risk. Even if it come and grab this, that's fine for me. Another bearish candle. We should have to hope not making this to lower low. We should have to make a higher highs. If it make a little bit sweep to the upside. Once it's break above this, I will move my stop loss, but it's not moving. That's a problem here. It should have to push at least higher above this. So profit target is 3000 USD. Profit target 3000 USD. So we have to be consistent. We should have to follow the consistency rule as well. Better we should focus on the perfect rule to pass this challenge. I already blew a lot of accounts. Yeah, seriously, I blew a lot of accounts. I literally want this to win this time. I lost I lost many times because I am not, my strategy is good, but unfortunately I was over leveraged and I was you know um not following the psychology, moving the stop loss, like extending my stop loss even if it's negative on me. So that's my problem. I blew my account this time. I don't want this to happen again. So it's pretty hard for me these days. So this time I should have to focus to win this challenge base. A huge ripper to the downside. I know this needs to come to this some sort of zones to push more higher. So I'm going to set a new order here. It should be like a buy limit order in this zone. If it comes this zone, I will definitely love to push more higher to buy limit order. I want this to come and take out my TP, bro. That's my look. Like, that's what I'm hoping. If it engulfs, it's good. It should be more good. close above this, we will push more higher. If I was entered in the NQ, this trade will be over. I achieved my daily profit, but we wouldn't know what would happen if it goes against us. It's like even a single take, it will rip every single, you know. It's moves so crazy. The money goes so unimaginary things. It's really hard for me to explain. This is that is bullshit, bro. So better I should to focus on the M and Q. I mean the mini, not in the micro, not in the mini. If I see one bullish candle to the upside, if it engulfs, I will move my stop loss above this. Even right now, I want to move my stop loss. Yeah, in here above this. Sell stop.
Stop filled.
Oh, oh, what happened? Still, I'm in trade. Oh, that is one of my positions still left here. Came and filled this gap. So huge ripper came to this FEG zone. My two lot position got already get stopped, as you guys can see this already. Right now I have one of my position is still on. This candle should close about this. It's filled those gap. It looks really good. It will come and take out this. If it come and take out this, it's going to be huge. Just I have hope it will come and grab those hydros on liquidity. You know, didn't get any clear move yet, so that's why market is still stupid volatile. Mm. Exactly, I said came to this floor zone. I don't want this to get stabbed out. Seriously. Oh, so volatile. Got a breakout and everything in the 1 minute, but didn't get any conferences here. We do have a conference in this zone. So we do have a huge hope it will push higher. One huge push to the upside, that's all I want. Damn. Come on, too much consolidation straight here. There's so much consolidation. 15 minutes time frame, what we are seeing. The bullish sentiment. Want to move my stop loss a little bit here. Swept everything here. Let me set my stop loss underneath this loss. Come on, push higher. It's so close to take out the. We have to see just one 15 minutes candle to rip to the upside. That's all I am looking at. If it got a SMT from here to here, I don't want this to rip this and get my stop loss and push above. No, it should have to not happen. It should to be engulfed to the upside. I don't want this to close above below this. Stay above this level. Make a wick and stay above this level, bro. It should have to be huge push. A huge engulf to the downsides. Kind of stop loss underneath these lows. We can rip those highs. Okay, making us progression here. Come on. Don't engulf it. Let me set a stop loss of the take profit, guys. Otherwise, it will be. I don't know what is this one. Buy limit. Buy two limit. Still in the consolidation state. Show me one ripper to the upside. Just one ripper to the upside. That's all I'm looking at. One huge ripper, at least in this section. I couldn't see the potential for it to push higher. Okay, nice one. It should do not engulf now. It looks pretty good. If it push about, we will look good. One candle should to close about this. We already closed about this. Uh, it have a potential. Make a huge wick. I literally want to move my stop loss underneath these lows. What are you guys saying? I mean here. Still in the consolidation state. Still in the consolidation. We have equal lows. That's a huge red flag here. It's not equal lows. Holy shit, dripping. One huge bullish candle. That's all I'm looking. One bullish candle. The sweeper. The sweeper to the upside. Stop loss underneath these lows. It doesn't matter. Underneath these lows, my stop loss. A huge engulf. Damn. Buyers getting weaker here. Stay above this level, we will look good. I don't see any potential for it to come and take down the low draws on liquidity. The market is already played pretty well. We are literally have to push. I literally want to set my stop loss underneath these lows. Let me close this. Instead of, I want to buy two limit here. Or would be not. This is dragging out. Stop loss underneath these lows. If it engulfs this gap, we going to be So good. We will be pushed more higher to the upside. So I literally want this to engulf this gap. Just engulf it. Engulf this gap, bro. Engulf it. Engulf it. Engulf it. Engulf it. I didn't set it. Stop loss here. Now it have a huge potential for it to chance to rip higher. We making some imbalances here, so we should have to be push higher. If it close above this, we will look so good. I literally want this to close, or else I will close this trade. It's already dead. It looks like the market is already so choppy and it's looking so fucking dead. Market opened in this. Where is this? Market opened here. Already making a clear move here. I thought it should have to be some sort of confidence. Okay, so it's better for me to close this trade. It's not going to be worth to stay. I don't think it will come and grab these hydros on liquidity. Market open. It's around 30 minutes since the market opened. Didn't get any clear move. Inverse this gap. Inverse that gap, bro. I want to see one bullish candle. One bullish candle. If it engulfs, we will look good. We can push higher. I don't want to see the bearish. I don't want to see the bearish. Wow. Huge ripper. Engulf it. I will enter the trade again to target that high drop on liquidity. Come on, close about this. Close about this. From here to here. Stop loss underneath these lows. I don't know what's going to happen. Inversed that gap. Of course, we inversed that gap. You guys can see the current profit which is floating right now in the table in the PNL. We can target that highs. It's even a 600 bucks. That's good. That's good for daily profit. Let's hope it will go higher. No, a second, guys. Okay, huge ripper. Investor value gap here. I set my stop loss underneath these lows. So it's so close for to come and take out the TP. I wish it could stay above this level. One huge ripper, that's all I'm looking at. My stop loss underneath these lows. It should to be a continuous bullish candle. If it's, we will grab these highs. Holy shit. A huge ripper. A huge ripper. Come on, engulf it. Engulf it. One push to the upside. That'll be so good. Oh, if it push above, it's good. Hmm. Another bearish candle. We can sweep that high. We can sweep that. We can sweep that. Okay. Oh my god. It's going to take out my stop loss. A three candle, a three candle in the different angle. It's like making this and making this and one ripper. Damn, it's ripping, dude. A huge ripper. Good. Up 400 USD. Mm, if it's not come and grab this, we'll go. Not gonna happen today. Stay above this kind of closures. If it inverts this, we will look good. That's all I'm looking at. Yeah, stay above this. Yeah, it should be like this. Next candle should to engulf that gap. This candle should to engulf to the upside. Otherwise, no way. Engulf it. Came to this exact zone. Nice. No, don't make a wick. Don't make a wick. Should have to be pushed higher. Invest that gap. Invest that gap. Damn, this video is too much long. It's around 50 minutes, I guess. I would never imagine I should have to stay in this trade this long. But I don't have any choice. Oh my god. A huge ripper. I literally want this 15 minutes candle to not bearish. If it's in the bullish, we will look good. We already filled this imbalance. We filled every imbalance here. No chance for it to come to the downside. The only way it should have to move to the upside because we have hydrogen liquidity here. So the market should have to act like a magnet to come and take out this. One huge push. That's all I am asking. One huge push to the upside. Market is so choppy, guys. So choppy. Come on, sweep this. Not having the time. Nice move. This is a pretty good move. To move my stop loss in here. It's making the equal highs and this type of things. Stop loss underneath these lows. So I will come back in a minute. So let's keep it roll. I'll come back in a minute. Okay, game guys, sorry. I had a little bit some work, so market is ripping to the downside. So probably it's going to come and take out my stop loss. So I don't want to move this. So let it keep it play. Have a potential for it to come and grab those hydros on liquidity. This is a huge trade. It's an amazing one. Still ripping. If we see right now the engulf and started to see the bullish candle, we will look so good. We will get SMT from here to here. What is ES doing? ES ripping. Okay, ES is ripping. Which means the MNQ will also rip. It should have to be more bullish. So, okay, I'm going to get stopped out probably. Let's see. A huge bullish sentiment. I do have a hope it will push above. Anyway, I will close this trade and it's probably not going to happen today. So better I should to shut myself. So see you guys tomorrow in the next video. I mean the next trading video. Catch you guys. So peace.